POV. Let's make coconut jollof rice while I tell you motivational quote. Like, comment, and follow for more. Thank you.
You are not worthless. You're only around those who don't know your value. When the person you were designed for comes, you'll be everything they prayed for and more. Why should you be crying over those that want to manage you? Our emotional trauma is real. You see, if you don't let that aspect to be dealt, you are giving the devil a foothold in your life, and the devil will mess you up. You need to heal and forgive, not because of the person, but because of you. The one who is in prison is you, not the person you have not forgiven. And you see, the funny thing is that people can hurt you and move on and still succeed, and the one they have hurt is the one who is struggling. They will marry and even give birth before you. It is life. Life happens. Your enemy is not necessarily God's enemy. Life happens to all of us. The person broke up with you didn't break up with Jesus. If he did the wrong thing, it's just one time in prayer, you are forgiven. Moved on. That's why you must heal. People are no longer looking beautiful and they are looking older than their age because they are carrying too many people in prison. You are block X plus all the friends of the X. X raised to power 3, X raised to power 2, the friends, the family, they are all blocked. X raised to power 1, the last one. You block the person. Is it until you block the entire world? Because you are hiding your pains. What you do is that you sweep them in a coffin. They will keep resurrecting. Other people will be sharing their pictures and you'll be seeing it. And you feel sad. Learn from your mistakes. Pick yourself up again. You are a queen. Get up and deal. That's how you do it. You are not worthless.